Every animal in the forest is in search of its prey. The lion is also in search of its prey, and the lion is also in search of food. And this lion also tries to save his life. Most of the time, the lion makes someone a victim, and sometimes the lion also becomes a victim. Documentary program video will be reached up, and we are making everything for very you soon to share good quality video with us. Some animals in different area. It's a beautiful view but dangerous, and deeds and view of sea life on some animal attacking for the deep deeds and some bdubs. Let's forward on life and beautiful view some animals looking forward on life. Every animal in the first in research of prey. The lion is also in reach of pity. But lion target deer, elephants, buffaloes, giraffe and zebras. But big giraffes and big forwarding. Some zebra is crossing to lion and crossing to see what area. But different